soap gal, and I have read over and over again that you would like to see the finished product. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just unmolded. I know I probably should have done the unmold, but then while I was unmolding, I'm like, I'm gonna make this video. So this is what I do. So I've unmolded the avocado milkshake, and the first step, because this is a specialty bar, and it's so hard to have every size bar that a customer would want. So the first thing that I do is I take it over to this cutter, and I score the edge. So I know what size bar. So I tap it, and so now I have these little lines, okay? Once I have those little lines, then I take it over to my very first cutter I ever had, and I get my putty knife, and then I take it and I cut it. So let's cut the bar. Okay, now that the bar is cut, I will do this 4 more times, but, so we're going to take it back over here, and we are going to cut it again. Okay, so once I have it to this size, now I can go this direction, but I'm going to bring it this direction, and then I'm going to use my 1-inch cutter. This is my Essential Depot cutter, and I'm going to line it up and cut 1 more time. And then that's how I get this size bar of soap. And then now it's going to go into the curing, and we're going to cure. But this is avocado milkshake. So this is the finished product.